Alright guys, so we're back at it again. I'm gonna show you guys how to do something really cool right here, okay? Alright, so here's a quick demonstration of a chair rail. Okay, right here. And we put that chair rail there so this don't have... Oh! I guess the chair rail. The chair rail was supposed to stop the chair from falling back. Okay, so obviously we got a problem. That's alright. We're gonna show you how to take care of this. Alright? Real simple. We gotta go make a trip down to Home Depot and get some materials. Alright, back at you. Alright, so here we are at Home Depot. This is all we need right here. So we can go ahead and get that. 36 by 84. Alright. Alright guys, we're back here and we got to get this screen removed. So I went and I got this little pick right here. Okay. And I'm going to go in here like this and get it started. And just start going right around, all the way around with this little pick right here. Okay, you see that? We got it coming out. Right here. And just push the pick. And pull. You see how it's coming out? Alright. There we go. See that? Comes right out. Alright, we got to do the same thing on this side here. All the way around. All the way around. Get the pick. Get it going. Alright. Get it out. Alright, same thing over here. Pick in. Alright, get it out. Just pull it. Alright. Give y'all a little close up here. Okay. Just come down here. Get the pick. Alright. Here. Works better with two hands. Two hands. Alright, so we get the pick in. Get it behind it. And pull. Okay, and that's it guys. That's how you get the screen out. Okay, alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and unpackage our new screen that we just got from Home Depot and show you how to get that going. Alright guys, so we got the screen right here and we got our roller right here, and what we're gonna do, you see, so we can't go this way, we have to go a long ways with it. Alright, so I like to start a little piece right over here in the corner to hold it up. Alright, get that in there. Alright, there we go. Alright, so now I can go ahead and put that flat down into the channel all the way down. Okay? Alright, let me get a close-up for you. Alright, so here's what we got put in there. Alright, it's got a flat side right here. Flat side. Okay, and kind of a round side on one. Alright, you see that? Flat and a little bit of round. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to put the flat that way and have the round part coming outward, pointing outward. Okay, so it's got a little channel in there too. Alright, so it's a kind of a, once you get it going, you'll figure it out. It's pretty easy. So I got it right here, holding the screen nice and tight. Remember the other side I put a little piece in already? So I'm putting my flat edge into the groove, okay? I'm gonna lean it down a little bit. So now I just take my tool here, okay? And make sure you get the plastic one, because the metal one will cut the screen and you don't want your screen cut right now. Okay, and then just roll it. All right, you get it on there and you push pretty hard and you just roll it. All right, that's it. See that? It's pushed in now. All right, that's it. There you go. All right, so basically you do that all the way around the edge of the screen. All right, you start at the top first. All right, then you do your sides and work your way down. All right, here we are at the corner now. So we got the top piece in already. Same thing applies to the corners. All right, you got your flat spot and the round spot. Okay, round's facing outward. And we just keep the screen nice. There's no wrinkles in it or anything right now. And just work our way down to the bottom. All right, all right, so we're at the bottom. Push the screen down. Put the flat side in. The round side faces out. And then roll it. Okay. Alright, so now we're at the end. And we'll snip this here. Okay. Alright, the next thing we gotta do is get one of these, okay? Use extreme caution with sharp objects. Alright. So we get this here. Let me show you. Right here. See that? And you just do that all the way around. All right. Then right here. All right, you see that? That's it, guys. So all you gotta do, trim your screen out, okay, and then be good to go. Thank you. I hope this helps you guys out. Please like, subscribe, and share.